Hey everyone, my name is Daniel, and I'm the founder of UpstreamSquad, and a bedroom music producer just like you. I have been involved with music production for over 10 years, and in this time, I developed quite the passion for helping out other producers. This made me want to empower other producers and aspiring producers to make the music that they love and to share it with the world. So, I started a site called UpstreamSquad, where I added free music production resources to it in the hopes of providing producers the tools needed to make the music that they love for free. Little did I know that I would create a site that would become the largest collection of free music production resources on the web and would help out thousands of producers all over the world. From there, I started making tutorials, doing track feedback live streams, growing a community of music producers, and even created an online music production store. And after everything that I have built for UpstreamSquad, I still feel like I have more to offer you that can help make you a better producer. That is why I have decided to start a Patreon for UpstreamSquad. I will be offering 4 different tiers where you can show your support. These tiers offer a wide variety of helpful resources and UpstreamSquad store discounts to help make you a better producer and to make some of the best premium plugins, samples, and presets more affordable. Based on what tier you choose, you'll get the following: varying discounts for each tier to the UpstreamSquad online store for all of your purchases. That's right, discounts on all of your purchases as long as you are a patron. The UpstreamSquad store has tons of high quality plugins, sample packs, and presets from big names like XLN Audio, Sound Toys, FL Studio, and DigiNoise. And you won't find discounts like this anywhere else on the web. Other benefits are exclusive sample packs released every month that are only available on Patreon, the monthly in-depth music production video tutorials that cover topics that are voted on by the community, links to curated free music production resources every week that aren't in the UpstreamSquad weekly email, a repost of one of your songs on the UpstreamSquad SoundCloud account, and track feedback on one of your songs with my comprehensive 6-step track breakdown that I have developed from providing feedback to hundreds of producers over the years. So check out all the tiers so you know the exact benefits for each one. I created these tiers with you, the bedroom music producer, in mind. Your support will help me grow UpstreamSquad and hire a team to create even more great content that helps you become a better producer. If you want to get access to all of these great production tools, exclusive store discounts, and want to support my efforts of making UpstreamSquad the most valuable resource for music producers worldwide, then join the UpstreamSquad Patreon today.